Hey experts, welcome to Check India YouTube channel. In this video, let's talk about everything that you need to know about CF score and how you can maintain it at the desired level. After watching this video, you will have the answer to these three big questions. First, what is a CF score? Second, what leads to a low CF score? And third, how can I improve my CF score? First things first, let's talk about what is a CF score. Well, to put it simply, CF score is a measure of the quality of the solutions that you submit. It is typically the percentage of positive ratings your solutions receive and is based on ratings given by the students as well as our in-house quality check team. To continue contributing on the Check Q&A board, we constantly advise our experts to maintain a healthy CF score of 80% and above. Well, this brings us to our next question. What leads to a low CF score? Let's talk about that in a bit more detail. Let's talk about some common errors which our experts commit while solving the questions on the platform that definitely leads to a low CF score. Providing plagiarized solutions. Plagiarism is using someone else's work and presenting it as a part of the solution. We constantly remind our experts that they always have the option to skip the question if they are not so confident about the same. Attempting a question that has a link to another website for more details. We always advise our experts to not attempt such questions and always mark it as abusive or spam. These type of questions are not supposed to be answered and definitely leads to a lower CF score. Well, making calculation errors or spelling mistakes in your solution is another short way of decreasing your CF score significantly. Sometimes experts encounter incomplete questions on the Q&A board. An expert should never attempt such questions and should ideally skip these questions under the tag of needs more information. Sometimes our experts give direct solutions to multiple choices questions. We always advise against this practice. Providing detailed steps and explanation for the correct solution is the way forward over here. Well, this brings us to the most important question of this video. How can I improve my CF score? Improving your CF score takes more than just providing correct solutions. Here are a few tips and tricks that will definitely help you improve your CF score significantly. First, follow all the answering guidelines and complete your trainings. Give correct, step-by-step and detailed solutions. Attach neat and readable diagrams wherever required. Attempt only those questions of which you are 100% sure. Take at least 5 to 10 minutes extra to proofread your solutions before you finally submit it. Last but not the least, keep brushing up your knowledge and concepts for your respective subjects. Please note that low CF scores are grounds for revocation of answering privileges. That is why we advise all our experts to maintain a healthy CF score of at least 80% and above to continue answering on the Check Q&A platform. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you like today's video, please do give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you, all the best and happy checking.